Hello everyone. Today we are going to solve 5 questions inside Microsoft Excel. Okay, we are having our data. This is our data that contains month, salesperson's name, product, unit sold, and sales. Along with that, we are having 5 different questions which we are going to practice. If you want to practice it, I have given the practice file in the description box. You can download and practice. Okay, let's go with the first question. That is, replace the salesperson's name from David to Dinesh. Okay. Come to this B column. You can see there are a bunch of Davids are there. If I am going to do it manually, it is going to consume a lot of my time. Then, is there is any shortcut? Yes. First of all, select all the data of that particular column. Control Shift and down. Once it is done, Control H from your keyboard. Okay. So Control H will help us to replace from David to Dinesh. So we are telling Excel that when you find David, please replace it with Dinesh and click on this replace all. All right. We have replaced all the David with Dinesh. You can check this out. Now let's move on to the second question. Create a chart to show the monthly sales using pivot tables. Do you know that we can create charts using pivot tables as well? First of all, select all the data. Control A. Come to this Insert tab. Click on this pivot table from table ranges. Click on this new worksheet. Click OK. It will open the pivot table tab here. Now bring months into rows and bring sales into values. You are getting the monthly sales combined together. Now you can select everything. Come to this pivot chart. Now you can select any of the chart you wish. But I would like to go with this column chart. Okay. Check this out. We have built our chart as well. Okay. I can click on this data label so that I can get the data of this, and with the help of this data, I can find this February month has more sales as compared to the others. Alright. Now let's jump into the third question. That is, find the total units sold by salesperson Suresh. Now we are here in a particular name, that is Suresh. Let's find this out. The function which we are using is equals to SUMIF. Let's break SUMIF. Sum means addition and if means condition. That means this function will add certain set of data based on a condition. Now what is the condition here? The condition here, unit sold by Suresh. So Suresh is our condition. Let's find it out. Let's first select all the salesperson name that contains Suresh. Control Shift down. Now we have to tell Excel that within this set of cells, find Suresh. Okay. Now what to do? If I find Suresh, what to do? Find the unit sold related to Suresh. Control Shift down. Bracket close and enter. Check this out. 1,46,049 is the unit sold by Suresh. Let's cross check this. See, Suresh 1,46,049. That means this function has given us the right result. Let's go with this fourth question, that is, find the average sales price of the product dairy. Product dairy, this, and average sales price. Okay, let's practice. For this, we have is equals to average if. Average means it will average based on a condition. Select the cell, Control Shift down, comma, come to the top. Okay. What to find? We have to find dairy. What to do when we find dairy? Please give me the average of the sales price. Control Shift down, bracket close and enter. Check this out. Let's cross check again. Okay. I'm removing this unit sold and bringing this sales into values and removing this salesperson and bringing product into rows. All right. Check. Now by default, Excel is taking it as sum of cells. We need to specify that. Please give me the average. So click on this drop down, go to this value field setting. Instead of sum, select average. Click OK. Check this out. For dairy, 4926.125. Check this. Now let's jump into this fifth question, that is find the total sales where the unit is greater than 5000. Okay, let me give you a hint for this. You can use SUMIF, and in that criteria section, you can add greater than 5000. Okay, let me show you. Is equals to SUMIF. First, what do we need to do is to, first of all, we have to give the range, that is this unit sold. Okay, within this unit sold, put a comma, find the units that are greater than, give greater than 5000. Check this here, greater than 5000. All right, greater than 5000. Close the double quotation, comma. Now, if you find the units that are greater than 5000, then sum the sales amount. All right, bracket close and enter. Check this out. Is it same? Let us examine. I'm removing this. Okay. Now I'm bringing units into rows, and now the sales into values. I'm having a lot of units, but what do I want is the units that are greater than 5000. So click on this drop down of filter, go to this label filters, select this greater than, and specify here that greater than 5000. Click OK. We are getting all the data that are greater than 5000. Check this out. And if you come down and see this grand total, it is similar to the answer we have got. That is 1,67,832. Check this out. 1,67,832. Wow. If you have completed by your own, then congratulations. Actually, you are a pro user of Excel. Thank you. I hope you like the video.